Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. Now, if you're having issues with that, the first thing you need to do is just verify that you have the correct phone number that you had added, and then of course you need to check your network connection. Make sure you're actually connected to a proper connection that's working. And then you can go ahead and restart your device and you can clear Telegram's cache. So you hold Telegram like this, the app, click on app info, okay? Then click on storage and cache. And right here you'll see clear cache. This one has about 96.76 megabytes. You click here, clear cache, and then you can start the app again, okay? And if SMS still doesn't arrive, they usually give you another option, which is the call me option for an audio verification. So you can try this alternative verification method that sends the code to a linked email address as well. Or you can check for any SMS blocking your device. Maybe you had Truecaller, right? Otherwise, really that easy. If you found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.